Operating an industrial laser cutting system requires a precise balance of strict safety protocols, routine maintenance, and standardized operator training to ensure optimal efficiency. First, comprehensive safety measures are paramount. Operators must always utilize appropriate personal protective equipment, specifically certified laser safety glasses. Maintaining robust ventilation across the work area is critical to safely evacuate hazardous fumes and airborne gases generated during thermal cutting processes. Always adhere strictly to the manufacturer's established safety guidelines. Second, systemic maintenance safeguards optical performance and machine longevity. Daily protocols must include cleaning the focus lenses and reflective mirrors to maintain beam alignment. Regularly inspect and replace the internal cooling fluid to manage thermal loads, while continuously evaluating mechanical components like belts and bearings for wear. Ensure all CNC software remains updated to streamline toolpath execution. Finally, standardized training is essential for secure operation. Proper certification covers complex machine navigation, safety procedures, software integration, and secure material handling, thereby minimizing operational variance across your manufacturing line. Subscribe for more technical manufacturing insights.